Hello everyone. Accept my good wishes. This is Dr. Huma Ibrar, physiotherapist and international license exam mentor. My channel is based on guidance for international license exam for physiotherapists, preparation for exam and study material. My subscribers already know details about my channel, so those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can become our YouTube family member and progress in your career with the help of informative videos and by keeping in touch with well-known international physiotherapists and all important updates. I'm receiving 30 to 40 mails daily about is this study material that you are providing is enough to clear exam, or how much total time we need to clear or we need to spare for exam preparation. So today I will clear all these sort of confusions of you all. Firstly, I will talk about study material for exam preparation. Basically, the study material I share covers everything, including free material and the pocket book that is my own personal book. In fact, you all can see my posts in YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook page that are about successful candidates who passed exam in first attempt with this study material, that including THA, hard, Saudi license exam and Qatar license exam. So yes, it depends not only on your hard work, but yes, on smart preparation. Pocketbook is basically for those who have less time period or are confused about how to prepare and from where to start. So I'm sharing my Instagram and Facebook links here in description box. Also, do follow for successful stories. Okay, the tip I usually give to my clients is that always take time to clear your concepts and then practice. Starting from pocketbook is basically a good step, and after that you can practice for free MCQs. But yes, if you don't want to buy a pocketbook, still then you can clear your exam. So it's all up to you that how you prepare for it. Secondly, the most common question is about how much time we need for exam preparation. So according to my experience, minimum 3 months are definitely enough to score good in Prometric exam. I'm always here to serve you all. My email ID is mentioned in description box, and I try my best to respond all of you. For study material, I request again every one of you to follow the given criteria, please. That is, subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, press the like button, and then send me a screenshot. That's it. I don't need any big paragraphs from you all. And yes, that's all. I wish you all best of luck for your exam, and do share your results with me, please, because it's only the outcome that I need, that I require, and only the thing that makes me happy and proud. So that's all for today. Take care and have a good day.